So I had a dream about needing a new part for the fridge, which the fridge does need.
Yeah, throwback to last week's episode.
We touched on this last episode. I had a dream about this part that the fridge needed.
That's how shit it is. Takes out your life and your dreams.
Couldn't find the part. I was looking for the part online in my dream, by the way. If you get this confused with real life, this is why this is what I like to call a wasted dream. In my dream, I was trying to find the part on the internet, couldn't find the part. I got so angry and stressed that I just started going to you. I'm just going to buy a whole new fridge. I'm going to buy a whole new fridge just for that part so I can take the part off the whole new fridge and put it in our fridge that's broken.